welcome back to my channel and welcome to another evening of Friday with Friends. Now, I had a great color combination. I did a turntable. I loved the colors. So I got out some of my coasters to make a little matchy-matchy set to go with it. So let's get down to the table and I'll go over the colors again. Okay, for this project we're going to be using my 4-inch ceramic tiles. They are taped on the back. I've got 4 of them. We're going to use my Sherwin Williams. This is a custom beige, so it's sort of a creamy off-white color. Sherwin Williams Mist Dyes, my favorite. This is Eye Candy in Oihi Blue. We have Amaterasu Silver, Electric Blue, which is a neon, and Ninja Black. And then I also have, in my Hippie crafter, I have Robbins Egg Blue. And then I have my titanium white cell activator and my Golden's carbon black. So it's Amsterdam titanium white and Golden's carbon black are the cell activators. So we're going to have a little fun, get a little messy, and see what happens. I've got my little mini blower here to help me blow these out, and we're going to get started. Yeah, I sort of messed up the bowl on this one. This is pretty in here, but this is sort of yuck. So we're going to redo this. Let's try that again. And again, I blew too much here. Got something pretty here. Here, a little bit there, too much smudge, too much yuck. Now I'm happier. That's looking a lot better. Is much better. Look at that. Love the silver in that. Okay, we're gonna put that aside, clean up a bit, and we'll be right back. Okay, number 2. See if we can do this on one try. That's pretty. Right. Don't forget to wipe that bottom edge. Get some of that paint off so it doesn't pull your paint off your coaster and down the sides. All right, hold on a minute. All right, number 3. Like that result. That's a pretty one. Hang in there. Okay, number 4. For you. That one. All right, let me clean up a bit and then I'll bring you down for some more wet results. Hang in there. Okay, we've got wet results. So we'll come in and look at these again. First one. Second one, which I think is my favorite. Third one. And the fourth one. I do love this color combination. Okay, hang in there for dry results. Okay, we have the final results on these coasters. It came out really pretty. Very pleased. Now these will get resined, but I have to let them sit a good bit before they get their resin. But really happy with this color combination. Loving the blue and silver. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please look down in the description box for the links. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.